And this is the weekend edition, good through Sunday, June 25th, 2017. All right, here we are looking at the S&P 500 ETF called the Spider SPY. Markets here on Friday eke out some bullish territory. Small caps, Russell's doing the best, up 0.7%. The banks negative territory, financials in negative territory. U.S. dollar negative territory, but crude oil up nearly a full percent. Gold higher, silver higher by 0.7%, and the fear decreasing by more than 4%. All right, so here's the deal. Now, in the big time frame, so on a daily chart, we have a rising wedge. Okay, you can see the two blue lines here. Not great. However, we don't. We do. I could say that we do have a long-term bearish divergence on the MACD. So we do have that. We do have a little bit of a divergence. Not too bad. But zooming in, this is what I'm seeing here. Zooming in, we have this pattern, almost like a diamond pattern. You can see kind of the diamond right here. This is pretty bullish. Let me explain to you why. We go higher, 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 higher. We plateau. Higher, 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 higher. We choppy, 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 choppy. Okay. What did not happen is we didn't go higher, hit resistance, come back down, hit support. We stayed up here near the highs of this area. So look at it like a high base. You go up and you base. High base, and we'll look at the weekly chart and you'll see what we're starting to build. The last few days this week we've pulled back. Okay, there's our little pull back for the week. So this is setting up to pop. Now we do have the 20-day moving average acting as resistance. That said, I went ahead and put on some longs on Friday. I'm going to put a buy. I'm a little early. I am early on my buy, but because I did go long, I am adding a buy there. So look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart on the spider. Let's go to the spider. Okay. Weekly chart. There it is. Do you see how we're just going sideways the last few weeks? Sideways, sideways, sideways. But we are in a rising wedge. I mean, this thing could get bearish and pretty quickly. So this shows me any weakness. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. We have a bearish divergence. I mean, this is dangerous, guys. Very, very dangerous. But nonetheless, I'm long because we're still going higher. We're still above the 20-day moving or 20-week moving average and the EMA, which is the weekly exponential moving average. We're above all that. So I'm playing the trend right now. If you look here at the monthly chart, month's starting to wind up here. I mean, we got another week or so, but we're going higher, 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 and we're just trending really well, but we are pretty extended to the upside. So there it is. Now we're going to go to the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ did something. We're going to start on the monthly because that's where we're at. We popped it this month. We popped up over resistance. Last month we popped over resistance. This month we stayed over resistance, but we have what's called an evening star for the month. So we go up, 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 up. A doji at the top is, or a spinning top, you could say, reversal pattern. Pretty bearish actually, especially if we start to go bearish in July, which we certainly could. So it's something that we have to watch for. If we go to the weekly chart on the NASDAQ, it's looking more bullish. We have a bull play here, up, 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 bull pullback, and now we're popping. Do you see this pop we're getting? This is telling me that we have good upside potential on the weekly. Nice to see if you're in techs on the long term. The daily, though, is not as exciting to me. I got to sell on this, and now we've built what's called a bear flag. we drop, and then we just chop around to the upside. And this is not a bullish formation, not at all, for the NASDAQ, not on the daily chart. Now, as far as the weekly is concerned, it looks good. Daily, not so hot, and we're barely hanging on the monthly. Okay, I want to take a look at the small caps, because those guys can kind of lead us to in direction what we could be in for going into the future here. Daily charts on small caps, we had a pop on Friday. Boom! The S&P kind of looks like what we saw on Thursday. So we pulled back, we get a little white candlestick, and then now we pop. Now, small caps has already popped, but went right into a resistance area, hung out there. I am now putting a buy signal on small caps. So I had a sell, now I'm putting a buy due to the pop. Look at a weekly chart on the Russells. We got a buy on that. We're going sideways, 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 but pinching, pinching, pinching. But this could be turning into a high base or a bullish pennant, and that could explode to the upside. But at this moment, we have a bearish divergence on the MACD, and you can see that here. So it's threatening bearish activity. So it's something we have to watch and be very careful of, because it could get slippery and quickly going into next week. Take a look here at the monthly. Monthly, it said, expect us to start dropping, but for the month we popped up and we keep hitting our head here at the resistance line. And will this be a high base breakout, or will this be a high base breakdown because we're at the resistance line? I mean, I got the danger zone on this. Anything could happen. Quick look here at the banks, and on the banks daily I have a sell on it. Okay, down, 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 but we had a nice pullback. We're due for a pop now. Okay, we're due for it to go higher. I expect for it to start to climb higher. Let's see if it does that. If you look here at the weekly chart, we popped up, but the weekly we dropped. So there I have to put a sell on the weekly. There's my sell on the weekly. We pop bullish, but then we immediately come back down. Not so great. I'm using a software called TradingView. TradingView. You can get a free service from or paid, whatever it is that you need. Oh, it broke that trend line, guys. Oh, there's my sell. Ouch. Ouch, 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 ouch. Okay, and there's our bearish divergence, big time. Banks on the weekly, big time trouble, guys. Big time trouble. And on the monthly, down, 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 popped. I expect it to go higher, and it's starting to. I'll keep that there. This is called an inverted hammer. It looks like to me, guys, that's getting ready to go bullish. I'm not going to call it yet. I'll wait, but it looks like it's going to want to start going north. Quick look here at the US dollar. We're down, 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 down. We have a hammer. I expect the US dollar to pop. This is on monthly, by the way. Monthly on the US dollar. I expect this to start, the US dollar to start getting strong. That's what it looks like to me. The weekly US dollar is a falling wedge. Look for that to pop higher. It looks like it's going to do that on the weekly. So monthly and weekly both looking very bullish. Let's see what the daily is showing us. Daily is getting weaker right now. So there's my sell. We came up to resistance, couldn't get off the resistance, and we dropped. Friday, there's my sell. So the daily is bearish, the weekly and monthly bullish. So, and what you want to do is wait for those to line up. If you're swing trading, you want to focus on the daily with the confirmation of the weekly. And if you're more long-term, focus on the weekly and look for confirmation on the monthly. Pause the video, go back 30 seconds, listen to what I just said. That was priceless information. You want to know that. And let's take a look at crude oil. Crude oil had a sell on it. Bam, 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 all the way down. Pretty extended to the downside. I think, guys, this is crude oil on the daily chart is going to want to start going higher after such a horrible drop in the markets. Weekly chart is this on crude oil. Down, down, down. Ugh, I'm just going to stay with my sell. What a horrible thing. Monthly. Down, down, down. I expect it to start to go higher, but it broke this support line. Wow. So far in the month. I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to get rid of this. This is... Oh, crude oil is just not doing well at all. Okay, gold and silver. Gold and silver. Gold up, 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 up. This is monthly chart, so we're in bullish territory in the monthly chart on gold. The weekly chart on gold, I put a sell on it a couple weeks ago. Down, down, down. We're on the wrong side. Oh, hold on, hold on. Oh, I gotta analyze this. Oh, we're right at support. Okay, we're good. It came up, closed right at this support. Okay. This could start to get bullish on the weekly. Oh man, we're at the apex, guys. Big move. Expect a big, big move here on gold. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. Daily chart. Let's see what's happening here. I had to sell because it broke this area of support, and then it popped higher. I'm going to stay with my sell on it, even though I'm underwater on this. Okay. I put a sell, put a second sell on it, and it's popped up here. I'm going to stick with this, I believe. Let me think. If I take this here, does it still make sense? Anyway, that's where we're at. Okay. All right, let's go to silver. Go to silver. Here's silver daily. We bounce. Oh, I didn't get it called yesterday. Missed out on it. So I'm gonna. This one's looking better to me than gold at this moment. So this could just be a bear pullback. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a buy on the daily. Let's go to the weekly chart, and the weekly chart. Yeah, this is a buy. Down, 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 down. Boom. Right at support, guys. I'm calling weekly buy on silver. This could be a great opportunity for you guys. Monthly chart is, yeah, we're breaking some support, but we're above the blue trend lines, which is pretty good. So let's see for the month if we can rally back. I think next week could be really good for gold and silver. That makes me want to go back here to gold. Take a look at this. I'm gonna go ahead and put a buy on Friday on gold's daily. Okay, so there it is. There you have it. We have free classes. Some of you guys, you just like free content. That's fine. That's fine. Go to Grok Trade and fill out this form. We're going to give you 6 trading tutorials, all free. They'll come to your email box. We'll give you a link where you can get them and consume them all at one sitting if you'd like. But they're very educational. They'll help you if you're just getting started in your trading. They'll help you out. It's free stuff. Feel free to partake. So there you have it. If you like it, leave me a comment. Catch you guys later.